Friends, today I am going to explain how to do step turning operation on a given workpiece using lathe machine. So let's see the operation. So coming to step turning operation, what is step turning? So step turning is nothing but removing excess amount of workpiece. So excess amount of material from the workpiece, from the outer diameter of the workpiece in different diameters. So that is called as step turning. So step turning. So coming to the experiment. So here I am taking 85 mm length workpiece. So I am maintaining 30, 25. So in different diameters like 30 mm, 25 mm and 20 mm. This is the workpiece. So let's see the operation on a lathe machine. So this is the length of the workpiece 85 mm. Now we will see the diameter of the workpiece right now. So now the diameter 31. We will reduce the diameter of the workpiece 31 to 30. Let's see the operation. For doing particular step turning operation, some materials and as well as some tools are required. So first of all, the lathe machine is required. Then some of the tools required, like we required one workpiece that should be fixed done, and forza check. This is the forza check. And let's see the some of the tools required, like check key as well as wrench, check key and vernier calipers and steel rule as well as one marking block. So these are the different tools used for producing of step turning operation on a given workpiece. Let's see the operation. Now you can contact the workpiece as well as the cutting tool. So just contacting position as 0. So when cutting tool and workpiece contacting position as 0 mm, so this is the 0 mm. You can adjust the micrometer of cross slide handle. So this is the 0 mm. Now I am increasing the depth of cut from 0 to 0.5 mm and 1 mm. So I am increasing the depth from 0 mm to 1 mm depth. So let's see the operation. చూపించండి. Now you can adjust the carriage in automatic mode. So now the carriage moves automatically. Let's see the operation. This is the carriage moves automatically. Now we are reducing the diameter of the workpiece from 31 to 30 mm. Then you can increase the depth of cut from 1.1 to 1.5. Now let's see the operation. Then you can move the carriage automatically. Now we will see the final output of 30 mm diameter workpiece. So this is the 30 mm diameter workpiece. So now the diameter of the workpiece 30 mm. So first step is completed. Now we will see the second step. Now you can left this length from this point to this point 30 mm. You can left this length. Now you can calculate the length from this point to this point. So total length, this is 30. You can left the 30 mm. Now you can calculate the length from this point to this point. Total 55. 30 plus 25. So this is the remaining length of the workpiece, 55 mm. Continue the same process. So this is the contact point. So 0 mm. So now I am increasing the depth of cut. 0 to 0.5. 0 to 1 mm. 1.5 mm. Now automatically starting the carriage. So now the process is started. So you can move the cutting tool up to 55 mm length. So then you can stop the cutting. Then you can come to initial position. After that you can increase the depth from 1.5 to 2 mm. Now contact the cutting tool with the workpiece. Now you can check the diameter of the remaining length. Now you can insert the vernier calipers. Now you can check the diameter. So now the diameter of the workpiece is 25 mm. So now the second step is completed. Now we will see the third step. Now you can remove, you can left this length from this point to this point. So remaining length is 25 mm. So you can mark here 25 here. So now we will see the remaining operation. So this is the zero position. So this is the zero position. We will increase the depth from 0 to 0 to 1.5. So now you can give the speed of the cutting tool up to 25 mm only. Once 125 mm reached, now you can move the cutting tool to initial position. Then you can increase the depth of cut. Then you can start the remaining operation. Once the operation, vernier calipers, calipers, దీని డయామీటర్ పెట్టండి. ఇది కొంచెం వెనకలాగండి. So now the diameter of the workpiece is 20 mm. In this way we produce different diameter of the workpiece. This is the 30 mm diameter workpiece. So this is the 25 mm diameter. This is the 20 mm diameter. In this way we produce the step turning on a given workpiece. Thank you guys. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment section. Please share, subscribe, and yours Polayya Chintada. Thank you.